Hey, what's up? This is Dilio at MomoCon 2025. I had to take a minute to remember the name of the convention I went to, but yeah, this is MomoCon in Atlanta, and in this video I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to do these field recordings. I've watched a lot, but I'm just kind of showing you what my setup is. It's a very simple one. One thing you got to know is battery is king, so whether you got an SP404 or a MPC Live or MPC Live II, or even MPC 1, you got to have a good power supply, because if you want to do like one of these type of videos where you're out in the field, definitely batteries are king, because the outlet may not be readily available, and you're kind of creating your recording studio in one place. So in this case, I have the SP404 Mark II, and I paired it with my old, I had this around, I haven't used it in a while, like how I should. It's a field recorder. It's a Tascam DAW5, I think, and this DAW5 is just a stereo recorder with a stereo input in that's 1/8 inch. And so what I do is I take 2 1/4 inches right here, I plug them in the output on the back. Now you can take an aux cable and do the same thing, but that's the cool thing about this device, is that you have multiple ins and outs on both sides. The microphone in there, volume control, you got ins here, out there, MIDI in and out. So I take the left and right output of this and I plug it into the input of this recorder, and then I monitor what I'm recording with my headphones on the line out of this recorder. So basically it's just these two things and the headphones, so I can hear what I'm doing. And then on top of that, I'm recording video with an Osmo 3. It gets pretty good video. And in post, once I have the video all filmed and then the audio all recorded, I just go into Adobe Premiere, try to sync the clips with the videos together as much as I can. I don't really have a good technique for time slating all of this yet, but I just kind of watch my hands to hit the device, and when my finger touches the device, I know that I should be hearing something, especially if I remember which pad had which sound. Then I just hook it up like that. So, you know, just a couple of things to jam out with, doing different types of content, experimenting. This kind of setup you can pack in the one backpack and just basically make a studio anywhere. And it's interesting for me to do this because most of my recording and everything I do is at home, not even on mobile devices like a phone or thing. It's at home all the time. And so to just record something different and share it is interesting and cool. So I'm just trying that. And I said, maybe I should do it here, and I found a good spot. And one thing I may do is include like a small speaker or something like that so people can hear. Because, you know, maybe people are walking by and they see me hitting these pads, you know, and it's like, well, what's going on in his headphones? You know, people might be curious about that. That's a small speaker to, at least for people to hear, but not necessarily be like super disruptive of it all, you know, or, you know, not to be a nuisance, but definitely, you know, to jam out. Just trying something new, you know, get out from the house, get out from the computer screens, get out from something like that. And these pieces of technology enable me to do that. And with a lot of, the quality is going up and the mobility is going up with a lot of these pieces of gear. So to be able to create like a short film is really awesome. So hope that gives you some insights to how I do these videos. And if you're doing some of it yourself, let me know what you're thinking about doing. If you like it or if you don't like it, let me know. You're watching Dilio on the Dilio T2K YouTube channel.